Welcome to Watch Chat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Last week, it was all about unattainable Rolexes. This week, we will look at other brands that are available on display and their prices. Let's check it out. IWC, what can I say? They do make pretty good watches, however, lately they're not that popular. If you've seen my last Watch and Price video, you note that watches in Malaysia are considered relatively cheaper compared to the rest of the world. Hence, many brands have decided to increase their price this year to kind of reconcile the differences. IWC in this case is no exception. Currently, IWC has yet to increase their price. However, I was made to understand that come October 2020, the price will increase. So if you're on the fence about getting an IWC, I would in fact recommend that you get one as soon as possible before the price goes up. GirardPerregaux, also known as GP, do make exceptionally good watches. If you want something rare, something that's not on the wrists of every Tom, Dick and Harry like the Submariner, the GirardPerregaux can be a good option. I particularly like the Loretto in this case. Some say that it is a homage to the Royal Oak, but I think the GP has its own niche. With the clean bezel without any screws on it, you can definitely tell that it is a GP and not an AP. The Ulysses Nardin is also an exceptional brand. If you want to stand out among the crowds, the Ulysses Nardin, well, what can I say? It's definitely a conversation piece. Particularly this auspicious looking watch with a rat on it, I'm kinda digging it. The Ulysses Nardin has recently launched their new watch, and this is called the Blast. I don't particularly like skeleton watches, but this one, I'm kinda liking it. Notwithstanding the fact that it is a skeletal watch, the legibility is pretty good. Between the two variants of the Blast, I'll definitely prefer this one as it has a pretty nice design on the case and bezel. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please do me a favor and hit that like, share, subscribe button, and I really appreciate it, and I promise to upload more videos like this in the future. Until the next one, thank you for watching.